Look at all these trucks and trailers. What is going on, guys? Philly here with another video. So we're back here at Copart. We're gonna check out another car. Hopefully we can get it bought and take it home. The car we're gonna be checking out today is a 2007 350Z, and yes, it's an HR. It says here it runs and drives. Let me see. It's got 115,000 original miles. All right, so I'm looking at the pictures and it doesn't look that bad. It doesn't. I think the 370 is way worse than this one. This one only shows like the door a little damage, and the quarter panel's not that crazy dented, but same side, passenger side, it's fucked. The only difference on this one is that this one, it does runs and drives. So suspension looks fine, just body work. I'm just waiting on the homie Baby. He's gonna help me check out the car and help me decide if I should buy it or not. Let me turn up that AC. It's pretty hot today. There he is, the compa Baby in the house. ¿Sí o no?
Se puso medio alegre la muchacha, ¿verdad?
Looking good. There she is. It's got that damage right here, and then that quarter panel damage. Should be an easy fix though. Check it out. Think I'm gonna get it. Fuck it. There it is. It's coming. It's officially mine. She's home, guys. Yeah, this side is perfect. I'm gonna see if I can turn it on right now. It needs a battery. I got the keys right here. I'm gonna see if I can get it running and then go park it out there at the warehouse. Moment of truth. Nope, no power. I'm just gonna leave it there for now. I gotta get a new battery for it. I'm gonna look for one right now, and then we'll get it going. Oh, looky here! Wow, what do we got here? Wonder what this is. Think it's some parts for the Z. I'm pretty sure it's parts for the Z. Pretty sure. I hope so. What is it? Oh, hell yeah. What is it? The spindle for the 370? Hell yeah. The front's gonna be done. Nice. Alright, so pretty late at night right now, but I put a new battery on it, and I got the jump start and the charger. Make sure it starts. Let me hit it. Let's hope for the best. Oh yeah! Hell yeah, baby! What kind of interior lights are these? Sounds pretty good. It's idling pretty high, but I think that's normal. When they're cold, that's how they idle. And then eventually starts going down. Huh, not bad. Not fucking bad. It's gone navy. Oh, that shit works. And then it's got a double din stereo. The screen is cracked. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe that's why it doesn't let me touch it. Let me give it some revs. Fuck, she sounds nice. Do the headlights work? Oh, the tail lights work?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hell yeah. Alright, so we made it to the warehouse. I didn't even turn it off because I didn't know if it was gonna start up again. So I left it on all the way over here. I'm gonna see if it's gonna drive. I'm gonna see if the clutch works and the transmission works. I'm only gonna look for the door, and then once I get the door, I'm gonna send it out to my homie. He owns a body shop, and I'm gonna see if he can pull this A-pinner out. See if we can pull it out and then leave it straight, and then after we get it back, we're just gonna throw some Crown Carbon Crafting over fenders. I think we're gonna go with some carbon fiber ones, and then fucking post it up like that. Hopefully we get it sold. Alright guys, I just made it home. I'm gonna end the video right here. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
Ew. It's fucking clean, bro.
On the one side.